Today we're going to install new Catalytic converters on a 2014 Chevy Suburban. Alright, so I just made a video of how to remove them. This is the video of how to install them. First things first, let's go ahead and slide them underneath. Alright, so this one here takes a little donut. There's the old donut. We're just going to stick that one right in here, like so. And then this other one will just bolt on directly. Here's this one here. Kind of hard to see. Alright, so let's go ahead and try to pick it up and mount it into place. Alright, so I was having a bit of a trouble up there in the front first, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put this into here first and then pick it up from the front. It would be easier if you have two people to help you pick those cats up, bolt them down, and then try to slide the pipe in here. My suggestion. But since I'm doing this by myself, I'm going to try to make it work. Alright, I have it dangling here. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to put this cross member back into place with the bolts and put the nuts back on. And this is going to go right in here. Alright, I'm going to use a 21mm socket on this end. And I'm going to be using a 13/16 on the back end of the bolt head. That way I'm able to tie this down. So I'm going to go ahead and secure all these bolts. There's also a 15mm nut that goes right in here, right on the transmission support. I'm screwing in it right now. Super dark in there. Turn on the light. There it is. Make sure there's no spiders in there. Yeah, there isn't. Alright, sweet. It's too late. My hand would have been bitten already. So we have that one snug. And let's go ahead and tie these down. On this one, you will have to use a swivel. On that one as well. And that one right there as well. And this one's going to be the 15th. Now we'll put our exhaust in right in this outlet here. And then we're going to secure this top bolt with a 13mm. I'm going to be using a speed ratchet to help me out. Alright, and we're just going to leave this snug. That way if this needs to turn a little bit, because we still need to bolt it up from up there, we can. I'm going to go ahead and leave this one here hanging. Let's go ahead and take this one off. And let's go ahead and move up to the front. Alright, so I have my jack with a piece of wood, 2x4, holding the transmission up. That way I'm able to take off that cross member. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And for extra protection, I'm going to move the jack towards the back where the cross member is at and lift it from there. Alright, and here we have the flanges we got to connect. And the other side, it's a little dark. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put this one up here and mount this one as well. Alright, I have those two mocked up, and I'm going to go ahead and do this other side. On this side, you do want to make sure that you have the little donut in place. Oh shoot, it's super dark. Let me turn on the light in here. And there's the little donut. It's all rested. There it is. I already inserted it in there. Now we're going to go ahead and put that there. And that's going to bolt right into that. Alright, and there I have them all. There's 1, 2, and the third one right there. A little hard to see. There it is. Now we're going to go ahead and secure all of them. Put on the oxygen sensors. This one goes back here. The front one goes right in here. Same thing with this one. This one goes up in the front, I believe. In the rear. Yep, the rear's up here. Have it hitting. Where's the wire? There it is. This one goes back here. That one. This one's a little hard to reach. It's way up here. If the camera wants to focus, there it is. There's the bong. So let's go ahead and secure everything down. Alright, I'm going to be using an extension, 2 extensions, with a swivel and a size 15 socket to be able to reach those, and I'm going to go ahead and secure all 3. Alright, I have all of these secured, and I'm going to go ahead and secure the other side. Now this side is dark. Alright, there it is. Everything is nice and secured. The only thing we got to tie is that back one. But for now, before we jump all the way to the back, let's go ahead and put in our oxygen sensors. This one will go right up here. What I like to do is twist backwards a couple of times and then go ahead and thread it in, because you want to kind of coil up the cable, so when you thread it in here, just give me a second, it uncoils. You see, now what we've got to do is just secure it. To secure it, we're going to be using a 7/8. I'm tired. Been at it for like 2 days already. It's already like 3 o'clock. Haven't taken lunch yet. Been working on this stupid freaking bourbon. Alright, so there's that one. Let's go ahead and put in this one here. The bong is right there. And the same thing with this one. Go backwards a little bit, and then go ahead and thread it on. Let's go ahead and secure it as well with the 7/8, and we'll do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so this one here, we'll go right out of here, and we'll swing it over right through here to the exhaust, and just try to put it inside there. There it is. Go ahead and back it out, and then go ahead and thread it in. And we'll go ahead and secure that one. Let's go ahead and put this one as well. Make sure you don't cross thread. Alright. And let's go ahead and secure these down. Alrighty, you can secure that one right from the outside. There it is. Alright, now that's tight. This sensor's tight. Let's go ahead and cure that one, and we're set. Alright, just wiggle this back and forth. That way you make sure it sits in correctly. And let's go ahead and secure it down. Alright, there it is. And now we're ready to start the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and start it up. We do have a check engine on this for the bad cats. There it is. No exhaust leak or anything. Sounds nice and cherry. Let's see. Let's go ahead and clear this code. There it is. Cats. Go ahead and erase it. Yes. Check engine is off now. Tri-cycle needs to be completed. There it is. Just has that permanent until it completes that cat monitor. Then I'll register the new cat, and we're set. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.